Hey everyone, it's Big Black canCook again. Today we're making a classic grilled chicken breast. Clean, simple, and high in protein. Let's break down the calories. You want to look for quality meat like this, nice and firm. Now let's weigh it out to track those macros accurately. We start with chicken breast, 300 grams. That's 495 calories and 93 grams of protein. 10 grams of olive oil. 90 calories. Salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Simple seasoning, coat it evenly, make sure every part is covered. Simple seasoning, that's all it needs. Don't move it yet. Let it sear. Same thing on the other side, firm, but still juicy. And there you have it, the perfect grilled chicken. Let's slice into this and see how juicy it is. This is exactly what you need after the gym. Whoa. Let it rest, let it rest. This keeps it juicy. Look at this perfect sear. We let it rest, and now we're ready to slice into the juiciest, high protein chicken you'll ever have. Let's talk numbers. This plate comes in at 590 calories, 93 grams of protein, 0 carbs, 14 grams of fat. That is perfectly cooked, super juicy, and exactly what you need after a workout. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what meal you want me to cook next. This is Big Black canCook. See you in the next one.